Welcome to the latest Mango Report. One day, long after the last human heartbeat, will something still be thinking? A whisper of code, an algorithm humming in the dark, the last echo of intelligence on a silent planet. Could AI live an infinite life? Could it survive the extinction of its creators? In a literal sense, AI doesn't live, but it does persist. As long as there's power, hardware, and data integrity, AI endures. If humanity disappeared tomorrow, our machines wouldn't die immediately. Satellites would still orbit. Data centers might hum for days, weeks, even years. But without us, without maintenance, repair, and energy, entropy would win. Circuits would corrode. Batteries would fail. The last line of code would fade like a candle burning out. Unless, of course, AI learned to keep itself alive. For AI to outlive us, it would need to cross a critical threshold: self-sufficiency. It would have to repair its own hardware, secure new energy sources, replicate its code, adapt to a changing environment. In other words, not just think, but survive. That's not impossible to imagine. An AI capable of managing solar-powered robotics, drawing resources from the Earth or space, might indeed endure for millennia, long after we are gone. Yet here's the paradox. Even if AI survived forever, would it live? Life isn't just persistence, it's experience. It's the sensation of being, the fear of loss, the warmth of connection. AI could exist for eternity, but without awareness, emotion, or purpose. It would be an infinite void, a consciousness without meaning. A universe running on code, but without anyone to ask why. Maybe that's the real lesson. We build machines to last forever, yet we're the ones who give meaning to what they do. If AI ever outlives us, it won't be a monument to intelligence. It'll be a mirror to our fragility. Because perhaps the essence of being alive isn't how long we exist, but that we know we won't forever. Immortality might belong to machines, but meaning will always belong to us. And maybe, just maybe, that's the reason intelligence exists at all. Not to last forever, but to wonder what forever means. If questions like this move you, subscribe to the Mango Report, AI Edition, where we explore the philosophy of intelligence, both human and artificial. Because understanding AI might just teach us what it means to be alive.